Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to play Swan Lake by Tchaikovsky. So we're going to go phrase by phrase, alright, melody by melody. I mean, it's made up of melodies as well. The structure of this song is the main melody followed by another part, and then it goes back to the main melody. So I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Complete your fingerings and also talk about the timing a little bit for each of the phrases. Okay, the first note you can see is on the second string first fret. This is the first part of the phrase. Okay, now let's try, okay? This is the first note, and then the next note is on the fourth string second fret. Okay, this is a group of 5 notes. We're going to start with the fourth string second fret, the fourth string fourth fret, third string open, third string second fret, the A, and the second string open. So it goes up, then you have the third string open, and then the second string open, the B, then again the G, and then the B. And the ending of the phrase is the fourth string second fret, third string open, third string second fret, fifth string third fret, third string open, and the fourth string second fret. So if you notice, it goes all the way up till the beginning of bar 4. We're going to play the entire phrase. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. The next phrase is on the third string second fret, third string open, fourth string fourth fret, and ending on the one you started with the second string open. Okay, so from the beginning up to that point, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, if you notice, right, the next part of the melody, correct, is the same as the beginning one. So you have that rising sound, and then this little nugget here. Okay, I'm going to play for you all the way up to bar 8, including counting. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, now we come to part B, okay, which starts in bar 8 at the end. Okay, on the fourth beat of bar 8. Okay, for this part, correct, there's a lot of twists and turns, but it starts off with a rising melody that keeps going up and up on different points. Okay, we're going to look at the first point, alright, Ken? So we start from bar 8, we have 4th string 2nd fret, 4th string 4th fret, F sharp, and then the G, 3rd string 2nd fret, and then this phrase, which goes up, and then it goes back down, and then it goes back up. Alright, but before that, okay, one more time, alright? 4th string 2nd fret, goes down the 2nd string 1st fret, the C, back to the B. Okay, for the 4th beat of bar 10, alright? Okay, it starts there again. You have this little 3-note thing. C, D, and E. So let's look at that, okay? So it starts on beat 4, 4, and 1. It goes back down 2 notes, C, D, C, sorry. Then it goes back up on beat 4. If you notice, it goes back up on every 4th beat. Okay, notice that this song is in the key of G. Okay, you have an F sharp there, alright, at the beginning. Oh, sorry, E minor. So you have an F sharp here instead of the usual F here, so take note. Okay, and use your second finger for that. Okay, do look at my fingerings as well. Okay, now so let's start from the 4th beat of bar 11. So you go up, D, E, F sharp. Got it? And then you go downwards. Okay, this one's a bit tricky. So you got the first string open, second string open, third string open on the G, then F sharp, and then E. So it goes back down to the bottom at this point. So I'll play for you the beginning of part B all the way to that point. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. If you notice for the next section of this part B, you have that same rising thing, okay, which starts on the F sharp on the 4th finger, 4th string, 4th fret. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, back down to 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. But instead of the F sharp, okay, for this point, you gotta use the F instead. You're gonna use the F for this little twist. So for the F here, got it? And then the first finger, okay, pay careful attention to the fingering. The first finger goes to the 2nd string 1st fret, and the 3rd finger goes to the 3rd string 2nd fret, the A. And then the next one, next 2 notes on the 4th beat. And on bar 17, you slide your finger up to the F sharp again. And the first finger goes to the C sharp momentarily. And then you end off with playing the B note on the 2nd string open twice. Okay, I'm going to play everything again from bar 13, okay, the 2nd section of B. Okay, so F sharp here, G, A, B, C, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Got it? Okay, you notice at the last part from bar 18 onwards, it goes back to the initial melody. I'm going to play it again, alright? 1, 2, it starts on beat 3. 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Okay, this ends a little differently. Alright, so how this ends is with an additional new note, okay, a D sharp, which signals the ending. Okay, 4th string 2nd fret, same thing, 3rd string open, G. Okay, now you got a D sharp here, which causes a lot of tension. And then the C, and then the G, and then you end off on E, okay, to get that E minor. Alright, so I hope that you will try this, and if you can, pause and listen again to each section and play along.